Hey guys, today we are in A6 C8 and I'm going to show you how to enter hidden menu in the instrument cluster. So first of all, use this to browse through the menu and select the live data streams. So you have your speedometer and so on. Now press and hold over here for about 10 seconds while looking at the display. I will zoom in, and after those 10 seconds you should see the hidden menu over here. So let's give it some time and release, and you have three options. First is the engine code, so you can go over here and check what's the actual engine code in this vehicle. To go back, use the arrow back. Second thing is the legal information about software, so they are posting some information about the software over here, which libraries were used. Well, nothing useful over here. And the last thing, the version information. Let's go over here, and what do we have over here? We have the part number of the instrument cluster, I believe. We have the hardware revision, we have the software versions, and we have the coding, current coding of the module 17, the instrument cluster, the combi instruments, actual coding, long coding string. So if you have to replace this cluster, you can make a picture like so with the actual coding if you don't have currently access to the diagnostic tools that are capable of doing it. And to exit this, just press the back button a couple times and you will be back in your normal operation mode. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.